Hey Flitz fans, it's Graham here with Team Flitz with another episode of
Will It Shine?
where we try to turn tarnish into terrific.
Today we have a Combine and Heart 2SP silver-plated flute made in Elkhart, Indiana from the early 1980s. Let's put a little of Flitz paste polish to the test. Wow, look how fast that oxidation is coming right off. Well, there you have it. Looks like Flitz has done it again. Look at that shine. When it comes time to cleaning, polishing, and protecting your finishes, remember these two words: Flitz It.